Let's have a look at some top ways to use online experiences to boost your business. Did you know that your customers are much more likely to tell their friends about bad stuff that you do rather than good stuff? Unless, of course, the good stuff is extraordinary. Naturally, they expect to see fast-loading shopping websites, secure shopping experiences, and one-click ordering. It's what they don't expect that matters most when it comes to using online experiences to boost your business. Why not send a card? When a customer makes a large purchase from you, consider collecting snail mail addresses in addition to email addresses. This way you can send them a card in the mail thanking them for the purchases along with a little coupon. You could use a service like sendoutcards.com or even an online service like tinyprints.com. You could step things up and talk to them on the phone. Another way to impress your customers is to pick up the phone to tell them thank you and ask them how's it going and whether or not you can do anything for them. Most of the time you'll end up leaving a message on voicemail, but sometimes you'll get to have a great conversation with someone who is about to become a customer for life. You could even send a survey. When you're not sure what to do in order to improve your users' online experiences, you could simply ask them. You can use survey software like snapsurveys.com or the function on Facebook in groups, or ask a one-question survey via email. If you send items to your customers in the mail that they order online, why not use personalized packaging? The packaging can make a huge difference. While this isn't exactly an online experience by itself, it could very well improve your reorder rate exponentially. When you give your audience a lot of free information that they can really count on and use, then free is fun. They end up reporting a much better online experience than without it. If you're not sure about free, another fun way is to let them pay what they want to pay for digital reports. You can do this easy over at gumroad.com. Here's the link. It's a fact that people get sick of too many emails, so send fewer emails. This might seem counterproductive, but it's no less the truth. However, you do want to reach out a few times a week so your subscribers don't forget about you. So just send emails when you have a reason and purpose for doing so. This will make your audience trust you even more. Do your best to keep the blog updated. Nothing is worse for your customers than having a few minutes of time to read what you have to say, only to find out that you haven't posted new content. While you don't want to post just to post, you do want to post new content a few times a week that has a point and that your audience will love. You also need to engage in social media. Social media is supposed to be an interactive experience, but so many times it's not. Try to spend a little time each day updating social media, answering questions, responding to comments, and posting something new. Finally, ensure that whenever your audience needs to visit, online or off, you offer the best experience for them that you can. Fast speeds and an easy-to-read website matches the importance of a comfortable storefront for boutique shoppers. Leave no stone unturned to improve your users' online experiences, because this, in turn, will help boost your business.